Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving the last 5 questions of our exercise 3.5. Let's see. Question number 21. A goods train runs at the speed of 72 km per hour, crosses a platform of 120 meter long in 15 seconds. Okay. Find the length of the goods train. See, very important question. Look carefully. The meaning is very important. See, calculation is very easy. Understand. Suppose this is a platform of 120 meters long. Okay, they are saying a goods train is running at the speed of 72 km per hour. Suppose here it is the train. Now understand this, that when the train has to cover 120 meters, the moment the train comes here, it will cross the entire platform. It means understand what distance it has to travel. It will cover the entire platform of 120 meters. Distance is 120 meters for the platform. Now see, the entire platform will be covered when the train will move and the train will reach. The first box of the train will reach here, the first compartment or whatever you can call it. It means 120 meter is covered because train has already touched the last point of the platform. Simple. Now this is done, but remember there are few boxes of the train behind it also, and it has to move all these boxes to call that it has covered the entire platform. To cross the entire platform, the entire train should be out of the platform. So when this train will be out of the platform, that is when the last box of the train will be out of the platform, only then you can call that it has crossed the platform. So what is the total distance a train has to cover? First, train has to cover the entire platform of 120 meter. Then it has to cover its own length, whatever length is the train's. Suppose x is the length, we can say x meters is the train's length. Why we are taking meter? Because the distance is already given in the meter. Okay, now distance is done. I can say 120 plus x meters should be covered by the train. 120 is the platform and x is its own length. Okay, distance is this, time is 15 seconds, speed is 72 km per hour. I have to convert it into meter per second because everywhere meter and second is coming. So I can write it 72 multiply kilometer by hour. So converting it 18. 5 by 18, it will become 20 meter per second. Simple. This is the speed. We have speed, we have time, we have distance. What else do we want? See, s into time is equal to distance. Speed is 20, time is 15, distance is 120 plus x. 15 20 is 300, 120 plus x, you can say x is equal to 180. What does this mean? That train's length is 180 meters. Therefore, length of train is equal to 180 meters. Simple enough. Now, moving to the next question. Question number 22 says, two trains are running at 48 km per hour and 54 km per hour. So, if they are running in the same direction, the relative speed will be, the relative speed is 54 minus 48, that is 6 kilometers per hour. The length of second train is 120 meter. Okay, we know how much distance we have to cover. The length of the train should also be added in the distance. Length of second train is 120. Okay, time taken by them to cross each other is 150 seconds. So time is 150 seconds. Length is length, or you can call distance. Distance should be length of first train and second train. Now from the time they meet, find the length of the first train. Let length of the first train be x meters plus second train is 120 meter given. So I can say distance is x plus 120 meter. Simple. it is meter here, it is second here. I will also convert this into 5 by 18. So it will become 5 by 3 meter per second. Simple enough. Now look, speed is given, time is given, distance is given. You can say speed multiply time is equal to distance. 350s are 250. X will be 130. Therefore, the first train is how long? The length of the first train is 130 meters. Understood? Simple enough. Now, moving further to the next question. Question number 23. Check. Two trains of length 140 and 110 meters are running in the opposite direction. Okay. They cross each other in 6 seconds. Okay. If the speed of first train is 80 km per hour, find the speed of the second train. See, be very, very careful. Distance covered is 140 plus 110, that is 250 meters. Time taken is 6 seconds. Speed is x plus y because it is in the opposite direction. Now it is very easy. Length, or you can say speed given is 80 kilometers for one train. So you can write here 80 plus y kilometers per hour. But remember, it is in kilometer per hour. I have to convert it into meter per second. 80 plus y into 5 by 18. This is your speed in meter per second. Therefore, speed multiply time is distance. So speed multiply time is 6 seconds, distance is 250 meters. You can write here 6 3s are 18, 5 50s are 250, 3 will go there, it will become 150, 80 plus y, so y will be 70. This y is 70 km per hour. It means the speed of the second train is 70 km per hour. Easy enough? Now, question number 24. See, a train 150 meter long is running at a speed of 120 km per hour. Okay. A man standing on the roof of the train, oh my god, runs from one end of the train to the other end at 10 km per hour in opposite direction. Find the time taken by a man to reach the other end. Is that the person who is running on the train, what is his speed? Sir, his speed is 10 kilometers per hour. See, these kind of questions are given. These are just to, it will disturb the mind. It is not that difficult. It is not at all difficult. Just understand this. For that person, how much distance he has to cover? 150 meters. Okay. He is running at a speed of, okay, at the end 10 km per hour. If I convert this 10 into 5 by 18, it will appear here 2 9s are 10 into 5 by 18. Now 2 5s are 2 9s are, it will become 25 by 9 meter per second. Simple. Now find the time taken by him to reach the other end. See, distance is given, speed is given, time will be distance by speed 150 by speed is 25 by 9. It will become 25 6 are 6 9s are 54. 54 seconds will be taken by that man to reach the other end. Simple. Now, question number 25. Two trains of 130 meter and 110 meter in length move in the same direction at the same time. Okay. the faster train completely overtakes the slower train in 15 seconds. Okay, it means you can say faster train takes 15 seconds less. Okay, if the slower train moves at half of its speed, the overtaking would take 10 seconds. Okay, find the speed of two trains in meter per second. See, now understand what is the total distance. Distance is, we know the total of the length 130 plus 110, that is 240 meters. There are again two scenarios. Understand what are they. The first scenario we have here is the faster train completely overtakes the slower train in 15 seconds. Let speed of faster train be x meter per second and slower train be y meter per second. Okay, x and y meter per second. Now distance is given, speed is given, so we can say time is equal to distance by speed. We already know, because they both are moving in the same direction, therefore you can say I can add a line here that relative speed will be x minus y. Simple. So distance divided by speed, distance is 240, speed will be x minus y. Simple. What is time already given? Time is given 15 seconds. So I can write here 15 is equal to 240 by x minus y, or you can say x minus y is equal to 240 by 15. So you can say 5 3 5s are 3 80s are again 5 16s are 80. So you can say x minus y is equal to 16. This is the first equation we got. Simple. Now check again. They say if the slower train moves at half its speed, it means if the speed of the slower train is speed of faster train is x, but speed of slower train it is saying at half its speed, it means y by 2. Simple. So your relative speed will be x minus y by 2. Now again the same thing, it is saying time taken will be 10 seconds, therefore time is equal to distance by speed. Time is 10, distance is 240, speed is x minus y by 2, 0 0 cancel, x minus y by 2 is 2 4 24, 2x minus y is equal to 48. This is our equation number 2. Understood? This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Solving both these equations, what we can do, or you can just simply subtract, or okay, x minus y is 16, 2x minus y is 48, minus plus minus minus x, this will be cancelled, this is minus 32, so x is equal to 32, therefore y is also 16. How? I have put 32 in the first equation, don't get confused, okay. X minus y is equal to 16, x is 32 minus y is equal to 16, so y will be 16. X is speed 32 km per hour, y is 16 km per hour. This is the solution of our 25th question, and by this we come to an end of our exercise 3.5. We will see exercise 3.6 in the next video. Thank you so much.